Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Keisha, but you can call me Kay. This video is going to show a few of the activities that I do here with Kofi. So if you have any 2-year-olds at home, these activities are perfect for you. I didn't have to go out and buy a whole lot. I was able to find majority of these things around the house. A lot of the stuff we already had. So it should be pretty simple for you guys to put together. If you like videos like this, then just be sure to put it in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and also the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. And let's get right into the video. So the original recipe that I found called for 8 cups of flour and 1 cup of oil. Instead, I did 4 cups of flour and I started off with half a cup of oil. From there, I just continued to pour, stir, and kind of play with it until it became the texture that I wanted it to be. It's time to play. And there you have it. You just brought the beach to your home. From there, all you want to do is add a few toys and then they can dig right in. This activity is a little more self-explanatory. As you see, I just made the wheel and then colored these clips so that she could basically match them. It's just a matching game. It took her a little second before she got the hang of clipping it the correct way where like the color faced up, but after we did that a couple times, she was good to go. This is by far one of my favorite activities to do with Kofi, and it's because it's taking something as simple as painting, but doing it outside makes it just that much more fun. Kofi really enjoys it. We both get outdoor time without having to go too far or necessarily run around, but she really has a good time with this activity, and again, it's so easy to set up. Cleanup for this activity is really simple because I just slowly start to put the paint away while she's still painting, and then as she finishes up with all of the paint that's in her tray, we just pack it all up from there. Okay, so the most simple activity that we have here is just sorting these beads by color. I had these mason jars because they were gifted to me. Not really sure what I was going to do with them, but they definitely came in handy for this activity. And so that just goes to show that you can really use anything that you can find at home. You don't have to go spend a lot of money. I did get these beads from Dollar Tree, so they were $1, but she enjoys and it's a lot of fun.